I think my ponytails are crooked. Whatever, but what's up, guys? Good afternoon. We got a late start today, okay? Because I've been doing little YouTube shorts, Instagram shorts, TikTok shorts, and I am trying to keep up. Right now, CJ has been going viral, and y'all probably not gonna see this video until like a week from now, for real. Because that's when I be uploaded. I strive for the week when I can upload in the same week, okay? But it's coming. It's coming. We've been going viral. Not we. I'm the supporting character. CJ has been the main character, okay? And who knew? Like, sometimes you don't even be the main character of your content. They loving CJ more than they ever loved me, so we gonna rock with it. And CJ love creating content, and really, he not even creating the content a lot of the times. A lot of the times, I'm using old content, old videos and pictures that's in my phone, and just repurposing it. But got to a busy start, just yipping yapping my mouth away. He wasn't feeling real good this morning, so he went to school a little later. I didn't miss my appointment. I had an appointment at the TOX. It's in Northville. I actually went to one before in Birmingham, and it's really like a detox, like inflammation, like your body is good for travel and everything. And we're gonna talk more to them when we get there to see like what all it will help with. But I think it's gonna be perfect around the holiday times, like Christmas and Thanksgiving. Like everybody about to be eating so much food and feeling heavier in the stomach and bloating. And then this is around the time everybody want to get, that gym membership, new body, new year, new me. So listen, we are gonna go to the tops because before starting, I need this now. Like, baby girl, being married ain't easy. My husband likes to snack at night, okay? And I snack with him. I partake in those little things too. But I'm about to stop. We're about to get in the gym. But this talks will, have me feeling good and great today after I go eat some peach cobbler, because I got a DM on Instagram today and they invited me to the Peach Cobbler Factory downtown Detroit to try out some goodies. I do know we the new adults. Like, we're kids, but we are the new adults. We're supposed to be cooking. We're not supposed to still be going to our parents' house to eat. They're supposed to be coming to us. But a little finesse, a little finagle, a little finesse. And if you in Detroit, baby, tell the people you bringing the sweets. And we about to pull up to the Peach Cobbler Factory. Okay, and that's how you come with it. And they ain't gonna be so proud of you, like, oh my god, you got it. Yep. I sure did. I spent my hard-earned money to get what you guys wanted, and I pitched in. I invested into this family too. So come on a ride with me to go there. And then we're gonna hit the TOX. I have an appointment at 3:15. Today is a busy day, but I'm so excited because this is literally what I've prayed for. And sometimes opportunities don't even like pay you. Like right now, these two things, I didn't ask for them to pay me, but I do get free things. I get free food. I get free dessert. I get free burgers and fries and all that shit. That is more money in my pockets that I don't have to spend on anything else, right? A win is a win. So ride with me. We're headed to Peach Cobbler Factory, which is about 15 minutes away. And yeah, let's meet back up. Ooh, it's a windy one downtown, okay? Usually I have my husband with me and he be shooting my little shots for content wise, like he'll be behind me and stuff, so it's gonna be kind of tricky to get this one, but I think in my mind I already kind of played out how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna kind of do it a little different way than I usually do it. I'm gonna get a little B-roll shots and then I'm gonna say something, so as I'm saying it afterwards, I'm gonna put it into the content basically. But okay, we are off of Woodward and Broadway. That's where the Peach Cobbler Factory is located. But I need to cross the street because I need to get better view of it. There's so much construction going on down here, but it's like right next to the Z car garage. Like headed downtown basically. Like you take Gratiot down here, then boom, you hit this intersection and it's Broadway and Gratiot. So there we go. I need to shoot some B-roll, get some like good shots and angles of this place. So I'll be back to review the food while I'm inside. Hey, man. I'm still here. I'm recording real quick. I was on my phone. I'll call you right back. I still lonely. Mm, it was so good. Mm, so good. They treat you real good. You try to find kamikaze here instead. Mm. Mm. I gotta say this for my man. It's too good. Husband, just know I love you if I say this to you. Mm. It was too good. Thank you. Mm. This is so good, bro. Hi. So it's just longer content, like longer than this. You know, like back in the day before, usually had these short stuff. So, I don't think next look at stuff account for right? Right? I just got here to the TOX in Northville. Hello. Yes, it's perfect. What is the TOX so perfect for? Like, tell us more about it.
Absolutely. The Tox is perfect for anybody in your life who could use a little extra self-love this holiday, who's looking for a way to improve their circulation, their lymphatic flow, their digestive function, reduce any water retention,
Okay,
any
and we
bloat.
need that. We need that as
Hello,
ladies.
tis the
Okay.
season. as it gets cold, we tend to pack it on.
In a holiday party,
Absolutely. All the beverages, all the salty foods, all the indulgences that come along with the holidays. This is a great natural way to kind of help alleviate all that comes from that.
Okay, perfect. I'm so excited to check it out and try it. So let's see what this is about.
Of course.
Yeah. That was so much. Ooh. To wash Bay's hair. How long did you have those braids in, Bay? Long time. We need to clarify. We're going to be using these products they sent me. Don't need a prescription. Dandruff Shampoo. Okay, we're going to check this out, see what it's about. Oh, look, I'm not even showing it good.